So this is kind of cool and a little bit different. This is a steering wheel. It's actually a Mustang steering wheel, an SPO Mustang, but this was done as a McLaren edition. So it's off of an ASC McLaren Eurocoupe 1986. Same steering wheel, same horn button as the Mustang SPO of that same year range. It's got a different logo on the horn button, and the horn button on this one's actually in good shape. We're just going to clean it up real good and condition it, and then we'll reupholster the leather, which obviously is in dire need of not just renewing, but reupholstering back to factory new. So we'll take a look at this when we're done and see the transformation and see what a gorgeous steering wheel this ends up being. Take a look at this gorgeous 1986 McLaren Eurocoupe steering wheel, all refinished back to factory new. Got that new Ferrari leather, which will, over a short period of driving, will pick up some of the oil from the hands and kind of get a little sheen to it, closer to match that horn, which is old and has a lot of sheen on it. But this has got the new Ferrari leather on it, so you can't beat that ever, and it is going to bring his car back to life. Reach out to us here at craftcustoms.com. Anything we can help you with, you're going to love what you get, we guarantee it.